This boring website is quietly making money behind the scenes every month, and it's doing it without selling a single product. Now, I already know you're not going to believe me, so let me prove it to you. With over 4 million views per month, about 2 page visits per person, 3 Google ads per page, and a very conservative revenue of $1 per 1,000 views, we can see this boring interest calculator site is bringing in at least $25,000 per month. And the crazy part about this isn't the only site like this. I also found lots of others, like this 𝗕𝗿𝗍𝗍 site, for example, this invoice generator site, and the craziest one I found, this date calculator, which gets 40 million views per month, meaning it could be making over 6 figures per month without ever selling a single product. Now, I'm of course not saying these amounts are guaranteed in any way, because that's impossible for me to do. But why I'm showing you this is because while everyone else is chasing flashy, trendy side hustles that rely on selling products and posting on social media to make money, there are other people using AI to build boring utility sites like these and are quietly making a consistent passive income by adding free Google AdSense ads to their sites like this. Meaning they earn revenue just from people viewing the ads on their sites. They don't even have to buy anything. And that's what I want to show you how to do in this video. How to build utility sites like this with AI in minutes, even if you don't know how to code. Then how to add Google AdSense ads to your site to generate revenue. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to optimize your site for the most views, which is the part almost every other tutorial leaves out. So if you're ready to learn how to monetize a website without ever needing to sell a single product, let's get started. Okay, so the first step we need to do is to access the AI tool that's going to build or code whatever utility site or web app we choose to create. For this tutorial, I'm using the AI tool called 𝗕𝗿𝗓𝗓, which allows us to build pretty much anything we can imagine online without needing to know how to code anything at all. This is also known as vibe coding. With Horizons, you just chat with it or prompt it, telling it what you want to create, and Horizons builds it, coding everything for you behind the scenes in minutes. To follow along with me, you can sign up for 𝗕𝗿𝗓𝗓 Horizons by going to the link down in the description. Then you'll see this page here. Oh, and I almost forgot, I also created a free downloadable checklist that goes along with this tutorial so that you can follow along with all of the links and prompts I'm going to share over the next few minutes. You can get a copy of the checklist from the description below this video. Now, from this page, you'll see that you can get started with Horizons for less than $7, but I also have a discount code that you can use to get an extra 10% off too. And even without the discount code, Horizons is still way cheaper to use per month compared to every other vibe coding platform I've personally tested. When you're signing up, I'd start with either the Explorer or the Starter plan. I personally use the Starter plan because it gives me more credits, allows me to build up to 25 sites, and gives me access to all of these other additional features. It also gives you a free domain for the first year, which you'll need for your site anyways. To create your account and access Horizons, click this button here. Then select the plan from this drop-down here. Next, don't forget to enter my discount code here to get an extra 10% off. But this code only works for the 12-month plan. Then hit continue to complete the checkout process and create your account. Next, you'll be taken to your 𝗕𝗿𝗓𝗓 dashboard where you can access the Horizons vibe coding tool by clicking Horizons in the left menu right here. That will bring you to this page where you'll see this text or prompt box where you can chat with Horizons to tell it what you want it to build. Now, if you're sitting there with no idea what your first utility site or web app should be, here's some tips. First, try to pick something in a high value or high RPM niche to maximize the value of each view on your site. Niches like health, finance, tech, education, marketing, or online business are some good examples that pay a higher Google AdSense amount compared to other niches. For example, here on the Google AdSense website, they have this revenue calculator that you can use to gauge which niches will generate the highest return on AdSense revenue. Here's the finance niche, for example. And when you slide this slider, you can see your potential revenue. Then here's another less valuable niche to compare it to. I added a link to the AdSense calculator in my video checklist so you can do your own research as well. But make sure you read this notice here that says these amounts are not guaranteed in any way, because this is really important to know. I think it's common knowledge by now that every type of online business has some risk, but if you want this or anything to work, you have to put in the work to build the business first. And that's what I'm showing you how to do in this tutorial. And if you're still really stuck on what type of utility site to build, you can always ask ChatGPT or Claude to give you some ideas with this prompt that you see on my screen right here. I also included this prompt in the video checklist, so you can just copy and paste it into your own account. The utility site I'm going to build in this tutorial, as an example, is a simple free QR code generator. I'm choosing this idea because lots of people search for free QR code generators every single month all over the world, which you can see here from the keyword data in my Google AdSense account. Here you can see there are over 1 million searches for keywords like free QR code generator every single month just in Canada and the US alone. So this type of tool is really popular. And this is actually a little pro tip that most people don't share in other tutorials. When you're trying to pick a profitable utility site to build, I highly suggest you also do some research in Google AdWords Keyword Planner, Google Trends, or whichever keyword tool you like best to help you validate your new idea. Your site or web app should always focus on solving a specific problem for a specific audience. So I'm going to get Hosting Horizons to build my QR code generator utility site by giving it a simple prompt like the one you see on my screen right here. And the prompt doesn't have to be anything technical or complicated. Just type out in regular language what type of site or app you want Horizons to build, including what features you want it to have. And again, I added my personal prompt to the video checklist, so you can just copy and paste it. But don't forget to change out the idea and the features for whichever type of site you choose to build. Once you enter the prompt and hit the submit button right here, Horizons will get to work inside the builder here. You can see here it analyzes what you're asking for, creates a plan to build it, and then instantly starts coding it all for you behind the scenes. Now, it might take a few minutes for it to finish building the first draft of your new utility site or web app. I've sped up this part for the sake of this video, but when Horizons is finished coding, it will tell you here in the left panel, also explaining everything that it did in detail. And here on the right side of the screen is the preview of your finished site or app. In my experience, it's usually almost perfect the first try, but sometimes you might need to make some changes or add in some additional features, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. But if we take a look at what Horizons built for me, you can see it followed my instructions pretty much exactly and built an entire functioning QR code generator utility site for me in just a few minutes. And I didn't have to code anything at all. But let's test to see if it actually works. So if I scroll down to see what my new QR code generator site looks like, Horizons included everything I asked for: a text box to enter a URL, a live preview box. But the cool thing about Horizons is that because it's created to be an expert in building sites and apps, along with the exact features I asked for, it also made the site look and function like a high-quality site without me needing to specify every single detail. This really helps if you've never built a site or app like this before. Horizons anticipates what would make your site better and adds in these features for you, so you don't have to waste any additional credits asking for them. Now, to test if it actually works, let's add in a URL to the text box to see if it generates a working QR code. I'm going to enter this URL right here for the Hostinger website, and then hit the submit button. And you'll see in just a second, it generates a QR code in the live preview box, just like I asked. And when I click this button here, it allows me to download it, which again is exactly what I asked it to do. And one other important feature that I need to point out is that Horizons automatically creates a mobile optimized version of your site for you. You can preview it by clicking this little phone button right here. This is a very crucial step because the majority of people browse the internet on their phone. So you need to make sure that you check that everything also looks good on mobile view as well. Now, I personally think the first draft of this site is perfect, but let's say you wanted to make a change or add in an additional feature or function to make your site even better. Another pro tip for you is to think about features that other competitor sites don't have that you could add to yours to make it better than theirs. This will give you additional leverage against your competitors and help you boost your views. Like, let's say I wanted to add the function to my site to choose the color of the QR code so users can customize their codes before they download them. This is just a basic example to show you how this works. But to add, customize, or change anything on your site or app, all you have to do is chat with Horizons in the chat box here and tell it exactly what you want changed. Here you can see how I'm asking Horizons to add in a color selection feature just by chatting in this box. But another quick pro tip, when asking for changes, only ask for one at a time so Horizons is clear on what you want done. If you ask for a lot of changes all in one prompt, it's harder to keep things organized and accurate. Then when you hit submit, Horizons will start coding the changes instantly. Again, this could take a few minutes to complete, depending on how complicated of a change you ask for, so I sped this up again. But when it's done, Horizons will respond in the chat here on the left, explaining what it did. And you can preview the changes on the right. Now, if I look at the preview again and scroll down a bit, you can see Horizons added a color picker feature for me exactly like I asked it to do. And I really want to point out again how amazing this is, because I literally have no idea how to code anything, but I've still been able to create a fully functioning utility site like this in just a few minutes. And you saw proof in real time as I built it right in front of you. There's literally no reason for anyone to not start building whatever site or app you can imagine. Now, again, this is just one simple example of what you can build with Horizons. You should do your own research to come up with an idea that is unique to you. But once you're done creating and customizing your site with all of the features you want to add, the next thing I want to show you how to do is a secret step that will help you get more views and more traffic that most of the other tutorials leave out. So make sure you pay attention to this part. So the way that other popular sites that I showed you earlier get most of their traffic is through Google search traffic, meaning they use keywords and SEO strategies to get more views. The problem is most people don't know how to add keywords or SEO strategies to their sites. I don't know about you, but I'm personally not an expert in SEO at all, but that's okay because we can ask Horizons to do this for us. All you have to do is create a list of keywords that you want to rank for on Google. You can see the list of keywords I'm going to use for my example QR code generator site right here. And if you're wondering how I came up with these keywords, I used my own Google AdWords keyword planner to find related keywords to my site, like I showed you earlier. But you can also use whichever keyword research planning tool you personally like to use. Then all you have to do is prompt Horizons, asking it to optimize your site for SEO using the list of keywords like you can see I'm doing right here. Again, you can copy and paste this prompt from the checklist. Just remember to switch out your own keywords right here. Then again, hit this button to submit the change to Horizons, and it will instantly start coding and optimizing your new site for the SEO keywords you listed. You can watch what it's doing here as it works. I've sped it up again for this tutorial, but again, once it's done, you'll get a notification here with the changes made. You can pause the video here if you want to see how it optimized my site, but depending on what you asked for, you might not see any visible changes to your site because SEO optimization happens mainly in the back end of your site within the code. You can also see here that Horizons made a few changes to the front end of my app to add in some additional features that will help my site rank higher in Google search results, like adding an About section, which you can see here, and also an FAQ section with expandable questions and answers that include some of my keywords in them as well. If you're familiar with advanced SEO strategies, you can also code them yourself by clicking the code option right here. But this is a beginner tutorial, so I won't cover that in this video. Now, once this is done and you're completely happy with how your new utility site or web app looks and functions, there's two last things we need to do. First is launch it online with a free hosting or domain, which I'll show you how to get in just a second. And more importantly, we need to monetize it with Google AdSense ads because that's the whole point of this tutorial, right? I'm going to walk you through the monetization part in just a second, but before we can do that, we need to connect our site to an actual domain. Otherwise, Google won't allow us to display ads on our site at all. The good news is, if you chose the starter plan when you created your hosting or Horizons account like I did, that includes a free domain for the first year, so this won't cost you anything extra. And it takes less than 2 minutes to connect your new domain to your new site because Hostinger does everything for you. Watch, and I'll show you. All you have to do is click this publish button right here. Then you'll see this box appear saying that your site is now live with a temporary domain. But you don't want to keep this temp domain because it's not related to your app at all. It doesn't add any trust to your potential users, and it won't work for the next step when we want to add Google Ads to our site to monetize it. So what you need to do is click this button here to get your free custom domain from Hostinger and link it to your site. That will take you to this page where you can search for any domain name you want. I'm going to search for 𝗕𝗏𝗋 which is the name I used in my site in the previous step. Now you can see 𝗕𝗏𝗋 isn't available, but 𝗕𝗏-snapper is, so I'm going to choose that by selecting it from the list, then hitting the next button. Then all you have to do is click this button here to finish the domain registration. Then Hostinger will automatically connect your new domain to your new utility site. And that's literally all you have to do to publish your new site online with a new custom domain. But one thing to remember is that your domain might take up to 24 hours to be visible, so don't panic if you don't see it right away. Now, once you have your new site built, published, and linked to your custom domain, the last step we need to cover is how to monetize it, just like our examples with Google AdSense ads like these. And I don't mean ads that you pay for. These type of ads are free for you to place on your website. Think of them like tiny billboards where other people's ads will be displayed. And to say thanks for letting them display them on your site, you get paid a portion of the ad revenue. And the beauty of Google AdSense ads is that people don't even have to click on them or buy anything from them for you to get paid. They just have to view them on your site. And the way you add these ads to your site is by creating a Google AdSense account and linking it to your new domain that you just created. Here you can see on the Google AdSense website, they literally say, "You create, we help you earn." So let me show you how to do that. And I promise you again, this is not complicated to set up. It just takes a few minutes to do. And just like building your site with Horizons, setting up ads on your new site doesn't require any coding by you because Horizons does it all for you. To add Google AdSense to your site, first you need to create a Google AdSense account. I added the link to Google AdSense in the description of the video and also in my video checklist for you. From this page, you're going to sign into your Google account or create a new one if you don't already have one. From here, Google AdSense is going to walk you through the onboarding process, which you can see I'm doing right here. I can't show you all of this info because it includes personal details, but all you have to do is follow the steps for these first two boxes, which is really straightforward. Then for the last box right here, this is where you'll need Horizons help one last time to add this tiny snippet of code to your site so that Google AdSense can add and show ads on it. But don't worry, it's really simple to do this. Watch. All you have to do is copy this code by clicking right here. Then come back to Horizons, then type this prompt that you see right here, or copy and paste it from the video checklist. Then paste the code snippet you just copied from your Google AdSense account right here. Then hit submit and Horizons will add this code to your site for you. Once it's done, you'll get a notification here on the left, just like before. Then make sure you hit the publish button again to save these changes to your site. Once you've done that, the changes are now saved. Then come back to your Google AdSense account, select this checkbox saying you've added the code to your site, then click the verify button. Then you should see this box pop up confirming that the code has been added and Google AdSense can now communicate with your site to add ads onto it. If you run into any errors at this part, don't worry, that's actually pretty common. I'm going to link a library of videos down below in the description from the Google AdSense training so that you can troubleshoot anything that comes up. Now, if you want to see how the ads will appear on your new site, click on the ads option from the left menu. Then click on the edit icon here. Then from this page, you can see examples of where ads will appear on your site. You can also exclude areas that you don't want ads to be displayed right here. Now, one last thing I want to share is that it can take some time for your site to become approved for Google Ads. This is normal, and here you can see that it can sometimes take up to a few weeks for approval. So don't panic if they don't appear right away. And again, if you want to learn more about adding Google AdSense to your site, make sure you check out the Google AdSense training library that I linked down in the description. But once you've done this, the entire process is complete, and you now have a fully functioning utility site that's linked with Google AdSense ads to generate revenue every time people visit and use your new tool. Let me know in the comments what you think about my app and this tutorial. And don't stop here. Keep practicing building more sites and apps to increase your views. And if you want to learn even more ways to create an online business using AI or get extra help from me, make sure you join my community. There I go live to answer questions and chat with the community. I also share downloadable online business guides and tutorials to help you even more. You can join my community through the link down in the description.